Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the new Canva features of 2024. Let's get started. So you can see right here that I have in here my Canva. So the first feature that we're talking about is the glow up of Canva. In order to enter that, just click this for you right here 3 or 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once it's done loading, it should look like this, which is the glow up of Canva itself. Now let's open here a document and I will show you some few things that is actually new on Canva right now. So I have in here this. So let me just head over and add in here or upload in here an actual picture. Now I have in here a picture. So what we can do is we can head over and select that picture. Click on this edit right here, and now we have our actual magic grab. So you can head over and click on that, and then it will select some objects that you want to grab. You can click on them, or you can also run a brush through them. So just select the things that you want to grab and click on grab right here. And then once you have grabbed that, this will load into this, and this will allow you to grab some objects that you have in this specific thing. So for example, it has grabbed that. So for example, let's put that right here. As you can see, it's been grabbed, and when we head over and then zoom it, as you can see, here is what it's look like right now. The only cons about this is when you grab something out of a picture, as you can see, there are some irregularities on the picture wherein you grab it. But if you want to discard the picture after you grab something that you need to, then it's actually a really good tool for you. Now it's also applicable to icons. So for example, let's click on this. And then as you can see, it will open the magic. So let's try to grab in here this logo. So let me just zoom, and you can also change the brush size. So let's just grab this and click on this grab. And then if you want to grab this particular logo, it will actually show you and it will actually allow you to grab it. So here it is right here. So let's head over and just put it right here, and you can resize it, and as you can see, it's been grabbed. Now there's also some irregularities, so make sure to take note of that. But if you plan to just delete it, then it's a really good tool in here. Now another feature that you can have on Canva is you can actually use magic media. So in order to use that, head over and click on this elements, and then for example, let's add in here a video or a picture of a goose. So let's search for that, and when you head over to your graphics, photos, or videos, and you didn't find what you're looking for, then you can head over and click on this search bar, and then scroll down until you can see this generate images for goose. So click on this, and it will open your magic media. So you can describe what you like to create, and you can also choose the style that you want. It can be watercolor, dreamy, photo, filmic, or anime. For this one, let's choose photo and click on this generate image. Take note that you have credits, and whenever you actually do this, you have 500 credits per month, and you can use one of 500 credits once you generate an image right here. So as you can see, it will generate some image, and here is the loading bar. So what you can do in this case is just wait for this to finish the loading process. And now you can see it has generated me some pictures of a goose. So what we can do is you can head over and then select the picture that we want to use. So I have selected this. Now this will load, and as you can see, it has now been added to the page that we have right now. So you can also generate again. As you can see, it has used one of my 500 credits, and it refreshes every month, so there's no need to worry because 500 is a lot unless you're a graphic designer. Now let's head over to our next Canva feature. We have in here this whiteboard templates, which is created by Canva itself, as you can see. So it's actually a fairly new feature. That's why only a few people or only Canva has created some templates in here. So what you can do in this case is you can just head over and then choose which templates you want to use. So for example, for me, I'll just head over and choose this sitemap right here. So let me click on it, and then from in there, click on this customize this template, and then it will open in here a new tab that will show me this whiteboard a sitemap right here. So as you can see, the actual background has changed, and you can see that this whiteboard is a digital interactive space perfect for exploring ideas. So you can click on this take a tour right here in order to see what it looks like. You can just drag in here elements that you want to add. So there's also some sticky notes element which is really good. So for example, let's add this one right here, and as you can see, this will be added in here. Now you can also change the color, the font that you want to put in here as well. So once you have added those, you can also add some text, some brands, and also upload some images or anything that you want added for this. So the background is actually a really cute one since it has dot 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 some things, and it is actually different to the ones that we have earlier, which is just a plain white background or plain gray background. So for the next feature that we have in here the Canva template or the Canva file that I have created. So you can see it right here. So if you can see, we have this templates or we have these elements right here. So what you can do in order to discover our next feature is click on this resize and magic switch, and then on the new page right here you can see this option for transform into doc. So click on this right here, and it will allow you to transform it into anything that you want. So when you click on it, they also have in here some suggestions, like for example, poem, song lyrics, professional email memo, detailed project plan, or anything that you want. So for example, for this, I'll just choose this content marketing idea, and then it actually generated in here a prompt that we can use. So click on this transform into doc, and then it will transform into a doc that we have just selected. So take note that larger designs may take a little longer to be processed. This because they have a lot of elements and a lot of sizes that they need to be transformed. So what you can do in this case is just head over and then just wait for this to finish the transforming process of this particular file that you're editing. Now from in there, click on this open doc, and then from in here you can see this creative content marketing idea that you have created. As you can see, it looks really good, and when you scroll down you have in here this right here. So it actually incorporated the goose that we have earlier, and also the design competition, and also all of this case, and also the picture of this really cute goose. So it's really good looking, and you can head over and then click on the share right here and then download it however you want it to be. So for our next feature, we need to head over and then create a new template. Now in here I have this, so when you click on this edit option right here, it will open in here this Magic Studio wherein you can remove the background and also add in here some filters. Now you can see in here this enhance voice option, so we can click on this one, and then this will enhance the voice of the video that we have. You can see that it will load, and once it's downloading it will enhance the voice as well. So you can also add in here some animation while that's loading, and you can also extract audios and also some playback and also change its position. Once you're done with that, you can click on the share icon right here and you can save it into your device. So that's the whole features. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thank you.